Yehovah Elohim Tzvaot, Kadosh, Kadosh, Kadosh. Please fill me and lead me and cover me and stir me and speak through me with your Ruach HaKodesh, that I may speak your written words with boldness and humility to those who listen. I ask all these things in Yeshua HaMashiach's name. Amen. We'll start with the Shema. Listen and obey. Children of Yehovah, pay careful attention and respond. Yehovah is our power and authority. Yehovah works in unity with himself, and you shall act upon your love to Yehovah with your power and authority, with your thoughts and mind, with your entire body, with all the muchness that you have. Yod, Hey, Vav, Hey. Hand, behold, now, behold. Zechariah, chapter 10. Ask Yehovah for rain in the spring. Yehovah who makes the rain clouds, and he will give them showers of rain, grass in the field to each one. For the household gods talk nonsense. The diviners have seen a lie. Their dreams convey delusions, and the comfort they offer is in vain. Therefore they go their way like sheep in distress from lack of a shepherd. My anger burns against the shepherds, and I will vent it on the leaders of the flock. For Yehovah Tzvaot will care for his flock, the people of Yehudah. He will make them like his royal war horse. From them come cornerstone and tent peg. From them the bow for battle. From them all the rulers together. They will be like warriors trampling the mud of the streets in battle. They will fight because Yehovah is with them. They will rout even those on horseback. I will strengthen the house of Yehudah and save the house of Yosef. I will bring them back in my compassion for them. They will be as if I hadn't driven them out. For I am Yehovah, their Elohim, and I will answer them. Ephraim's men will be like warriors. Their hearts will be cheered as if from wine. Their children will see it and rejoice. Their hearts will be glad in Yehovah. I will whistle for them and gather them, because I have redeemed them. They will be as numerous as they were before, and I will sow them among the peoples in distant lands. They will remember me. They will rear their children and then return. I will bring them back from the land of Egypt and gather them out of Ashur. I will bring them into Gilad and the Lebanon until there is no more room for them. Trouble will pass over the sea and stir up waves in the sea. All the depths of the Nile will be dried up. The pride of Ashur will be brought down, and the scepter of Egypt will leave. But I will strengthen Israel in Yehovah. They will travel here and there in his name. How can we learn to love our Creator after reading this fascinating 10th chapter of Zechariah? Ask Yehovah for rain in the spring, trusting the one who makes the rain clouds. Trust Yehovah to nourish your life in his timing. Trust Yehovah, the good shepherd. Trust Yehovah Tzvaot to care for his flock. Fight trusting Yehovah is with you. Trust Yehovah will strengthen the house of Yehudah and save the house of Yosef. Trust Yehovah will bring us back in his compassion. Trust Yehovah is our Elohim. Trust Yehovah will answer his children's prayers. Aim to rejoice and fill your heart with gladness in Yehovah. Trust Yehovah has redeemed his children. Remember Yehovah. Trust Yehovah will strengthen Israel in Yehovah. Aim to travel in Yehovah's name. How can we love others as Yeshua loves us? Point all to trust Yehovah who redeems. Bear one another's burdens. Fight, trusting Yehovah is with you. Produce spiritual fruit: love, joy, peace, patience, kindness, goodness, faithfulness, humility, self-control. We'll end with the Arianic blessing, using the name. Yehovah will kneel before you presenting gifts, and he will guard you with a hedge of protection. Yehovah will illuminate the wholeness of his being toward you, bringing order, and he will provide you with love, sustenance, and friendship. Yehovah will lift up the wholeness of his being and look upon you and will set in place all you need to be whole and complete. Shalom, shalom.